Best deals. 1. Garlic press. Functional and stylish design that doubles as a convenient bottle opener for quick access while cooking. Quickly removes garlic skin without touching the cloves. Clean, fast, and odor-free. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Stackable container. Allows you to cook a whole meal, rice, lentils, dal and vegetables all together in few minutes with minimum use of fuel, energy and retaining all essential nutrients. Container sets are made of high-quality stainless steel. These cooker containers are very strong and sturdy. This set comes with stainless steel lid to trap heat and moisture. There is air vent to each container to release extra steam pressure. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Scrubber. Rotating head that gives 360-degree cleaning for tiles and bathroom floor. High-quality scrub and sturdy head for better cleaning. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Trash can. Fully developed sensing technology reduces unnecessary openings and extends battery life. The lid stays open if you keep your hands above the infrared motion sensor, which improves user experience greatly. Lid closes after 5 seconds automatically if none movement is detected by sensor. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Cylinder stand. Stylish powder-coated red finish adds durability and rust protection to strong steel construction. Engineered with 4 durable wheels that smoothly support full LPG cylinders. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Masala dabba. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel for durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting use. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Soap dispenser. With attached caddy holds sponges, scrubbers, rags, scouring pads in one convenient place while keeping water off kitchen counters. No more messy spills, dripping, or trailing. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Cheese grater. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's perfect for effortlessly handling everything from cheese to ginger and garlic in your kitchen. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Metal trolley. Designed for effortless movement, this vegetable trolley features smooth rolling wheels, allowing you to shift it anywhere in your home or kitchen. Made from high-quality steel, this vegetable rack for kitchen ensures stability and long-lasting durability, making it a sturdy kitchen rack stand for daily use. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Casserole. Designed with a finer grade of ceramic coating which is of light ivory color and gives a smoother finish. This ceramic coating, which has no PFAS, no PTFE, no heavy metals, it's stylish and attractive, suits any kitchen settings. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Mop. It absorbs water 10 times of its weight and makes floor completely dry. Refill made of special PVA material which has super water absorbency, has easy water squeezing system. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dish drying stand. Features an automatic drainage system, which can drain excess water into the sink automatically. Keep the countertop clean and dry, made of metal carbon steel to avoid bending and deformation, black powder coated and handmade to prevent rusting. A detachable drainage tray effectively prevents the upper and lower sections from cross-contamination. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Garlic peeler. Made from flexible silicone that's safe for food contact and durable for long-term use, helps keeps your hands clean and free smell. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Casserole. Made with a flat bottom which allows it to be placed evenly over heat source. Suitable for use on induction and gas cookers. Enjoy a low-oil lifestyle with a PFOA-free pan, delivering healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, perfect to store or serve stew. Biryani, rice in hot condition. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Containers. With a charming color and stylish wooden lids. This container offers generous storage space, allowing you to store and organize a variety of kitchen essentials such as snack, biscuit, and more. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Vegetable chopper. Effortlessly chop fruits, vegetables, and more with the Alligator chopper. Discover the ultimate kitchen tool designed for precision, safety, and convenience. Perfect for every cooking enthusiast. The grid system ensures that you get consistent and uniform cuts, which can be important for certain recipes and presentations. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Tongs. Stainless steel arms are extremely durable, so you can use your tongs for cooking and serving from the frying pan or barbecue. Open and lock your tongs easily with one hand thanks to the clever click lock button mechanism. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Electric kettle. The sleek digital display clearly shows the current temperature, ensuring accurate temperature control for your desired beverage preparation. The lightweight and compact design of this kettle make it easy to carry and store. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Lunch box set. Offers a complete meal solution with its 3 containers, each having a generous capacity. This allows you to carry a variety of dishes, ensuring a satisfying meal experience. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Caddy. Made using superior grade, highly durable materials, a combination of heavy-duty ABS and PVC, being easy to clean and features an easy-to-use adhesive sheet that's easy to install within minutes. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Tea pan. With wooden handle can be used for preparing tea, milk, sauces and more over gas, induction or any stove, features a non-stick coating for easy cleaning and preventing foods from sticking. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Yogurt maker. With its fully automatic feature, a yogurt maker for home just needs you to plug it in to start making yogurt or natto and rice wine, other great sources of probiotics. Features a 304 food-grade stainless steel pot to effectively prevent the growth of harmful bacteria, making it the safest choice. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Ceramic snack bowl. Ideal for serving snacks, tossing salads, or baking vegetables and chicken. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Mop holder. No drilling needed. Sticks securely to smooth tiles, marble, or glass. Keeps mops, brooms, and tools from falling or sliding. Press and twist lock system. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Steamer. Multifunction appliances ideally suited to steam vegetables and rice, boil many eggs in 3 modes. With the touch of the button you could boil eggs which would automatically cut off once the cooking is done. Cook 2 dishes simultaneously in dual level to do parallel function at the same time. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Teapot. The hand-polished and mirror-like surface will make the stainless steel surface completely swoon-worthy. It'll look good with any kitchen decor, from retro to modern, and everything in between. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cutlery holder. Oval-shaped cutlery, beautifully adorned with a vibrant off-white polka dot pattern. This stylish cutlery set enhances your dining experience. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Thali set. Its exquisite design and functional elements make it suitable for both daily meals and festive occasions, adding a royal touch to your dining table. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Idli maker. Works seamlessly on induction cooktops, as well as gas and electric stoves, ensuring versatile and efficient cooking for perfect idlis every time. Made from high-quality, rust-resistant stainless steel for durability, easy maintenance, and long-lasting performance. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Coconut scraper. Designed to ease the task of extracting coconut flesh and comes in handy for the scraping of coconut for chutney and gravy. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Bottle cleaner. Constructed from resilient silicone material, a baby bottle cleaning set is entirely food grade and 100% BPA free. The silicone bottle brush, with no discernible odor, guarantees a secure and healthy usage. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Baking cups. Crafted from high-quality food-grade silicone, offering excellent heat resistance. Perfectly designed to withstand temperatures in microwaves, ovens, or air fryers, these non-stick molds ensure durability. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Handy pot set. Export quality stainless steel making the utensil highly durable, long-lasting and rust-free. Giving it a long life, keeping it beautiful for years. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Cloth towel. Made from high-quality microfiber fabric, these towels are soft, lint-free, and scratch-free, making them perfect for all surfaces, including sensitive ones. Use them confidently on countertops, dishes, and even delicate automobile interiors. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Strainer. Are easier to be opened and collapsed, very firmly. Both sides of the handle have a hook design. You can hang on a hook using one of the side handles, so they do not take up much needed room in your kitchen cupboards, suitable for most food cleansing and filtration. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Laundry. Mover is divided into 2 layers, taking up less space and having more storage capacity. Hollow design and dense ventilation to prevent odor. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Cloth storage organizer. The bag provides complete protection from dust. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust. It collapses flat for saving precious storage space. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Mesh strainer. Versatile kitchen tool that can be used as a water filter, hung curd maker, strainer for sprouting seeds, and more. Made from highly durable microfiber material, these cleaning clothes are built to last through heavy cleaning tasks. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Salad dryer. Use it to wash and dry berries, veggies, and a variety of fruits. Stay ahead in your kitchen tasks with this indispensable gadget, designed to streamline all your food prep needs, making it a true must-have for every kitchen. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Press juicer. Extract fresh juice from a variety of fruits and vegetables like oranges, pineapples, grapes, sweet limes. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Lid holder. Designed for holding your pot lid and other essential kitchenware, versatile organizer rack for your kitchen. The sleek combination of gold and black not only complements modern kitchen decor but also adds a touch of sophistication. Organizer is the ultimate space saver. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Ice cube trays. 100% safe food grade silicone to ensure absolute food security. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Diaper bag. It a perfect mother bag for baby travel and baby bags for newborn. 3-layered Oxford fabric for strength and durability. It's the go-to choice for mom as a baby bag for 0 to 3-year baby. 12 well-sized pockets for organizing your baby's belongings. It becomes the ultimate choice for baby diaper bag for mother for traveling. Wide fish mouth opening for easy access to your baby's items, establishing it as the top pick among baby travel bag and baby bags for mothers on the go. 3 wide 18 cm insulated milk bottle pockets to keep your baby's milk warm for up to 2 to 3 hours, hence a perfect maternity bags for mother and baby travel bag. Product link is given in the 43rd link. 44. Wrapping machine. The machine is designed to sit conveniently on countertops and workstations without taking up excessive space. Its compact form makes it ideal for small grocery stores, retail counters, bakeries, and commercial kitchens where efficiency and space utilization are equally important. This machine helps preserve natural freshness, flavor, and aroma. It prevents exposure to dust, air, and external contaminants while also reducing moisture loss. Product link is given in the 44th link. 45. Cleaning brush. The multifunctional tiny bottle cleaning brush is designed into 3 parts. 1. U-shaped brush that matches the cup lip to clean stubborn stains around the cup mouth. 2. Use a tiny gap brush to clean the narrow grooves on the inner wall of the cup cover. 3. Hard bristle corner brush to remove the dirt in the corner groove of the container. Tiny bottle brush is made of high-quality ABS, PP, PET, and silicone gel. It is sturdy and durable and can withstand high temperatures up to 80 degrees Celsius, 176 degrees Fahrenheit. It is washable, safe, and not easy to break for a long usage life. The 3-in-1 bottle cleaning brush is perfect for cleaning cup lids, tiny bottles, nursing bottles, cup covers, bottle cork dirt. This small and exquisite straw cleaner brush has a 360 degrees rotating and swapped function. It can be easily switched between the gap brush and stiff bristle cleaning when necessary. The small cleaning brush fits easily into narrow gaps in the bottle cup cover for fast cleaning. It has a hanging hole and can be hung up when not in use, making it convenient for storage. Product link is given in the 45th link. 46. Grinding stone. Perfect for grinding spices, chutneys, and Ayurvedic herbs. Adds rustic charm to your kitchen or cooking space. Simple to rinse, dry, and store after every use. Product link is given in the 46th link.